The Pelsee 12-inch mirror dash cam, this is the P12 Pro Max. This one is the big one and I just unboxed it. It looks amazing. Look at the size of this mirror, and this is a display too, so when you turn it on you can see the front camera, which is right here. You can see the back camera, which is you install on the back of your car or your truck, and then you can also use it as a mirror. Now there's a split mode where you can see both the front and the back, or you can see a full screen of the back or full screen of the front. It's very awesome. Or you can use it as a mirror, like right now it's a mirror too. And it's very simple to use. Up here you got your micro SD, that's where you record all the footage. You got your USB Type-C, that's your power source. Your AV in, that's where the rear camera connects to it. And then you got your GPS. So you can see in the package, you have your GPS antenna right there. You could install this if you want, or you can choose not to. It's up to you. This is your power source. It's got a USB-A pass-through, and then this one is your USB Type-C power source that connects right here to your mirror. So that's how your Pelsee mirror gets power. There's some accessories right here to help you install it. So the installation is very simple. Boom, the accessories are here. You got your bands right here, and then you got your micro SD card right here, and then you got your adhesive, and then you got your prying tool to pry stuff apart. You can run the wire in your car if you want to hide the wires, and then you got the user manual right here. These bands are cool because these bands are going to be how you're going to install this mirror onto your existing mirror. So Pelsee is right there, so this mirror will attach on top, so you can choose whichever size you want, and like that you wrap it like this, and then it wraps over your existing mirror. Pretty cool, right? So you get one strap there, and then you got another strap over here. Boom, you can choose whichever size you need, but there we go. That's how you kind of strap it over your existing mirror. It's a very simple solution to get front and back camera. You don't need to sacrifice any space because this replaces your rear view mirror right here. This is the Pelsee Pro 12 Max mirror dash cam right here.